Hello, I'm Anton, YesTechie, certified Ubiquiti Integrators, and we are at our next UniFi deployment. We are going to install UniFi gate access control for the gated community with around 100 residents. So they have 2 gates. We are in the middle of deployment. Their infrastructure was partially destroyed during the wildfires. So we are going to run a fiber optic line connecting 2 gates. They had a Hikvision video surveillance system, which is not functioning properly right now. It's also like partially destroyed. And management actually decided it's a very good time for upgrade and bring all their access control system and video surveillance under one umbrella. UniFi single interface where you can manage residents, their access. Also, you can handle visitors. So they have DoorKing access control system currently, which is also not functioning properly. So we're going to replace DoorKing intercoms with UniFi intercoms for the visitor access. We are deploying 3 per each gate G6 Pro cameras. That's not only for surveillance, we'll also use them for the license plate recognition, allowing residents to get access to those gates with just their license plate number. We'll have 2 cameras, one pointing to the front of the car. So if the car approaching gates, and you have a license plate installed on the front of your car, the gate will open automatically if you have a correct license plate. If you don't have license plate on the front, so we have another camera actually recording when car is approaching gates, so no problem. Gates will open even if you have only license plate on the back of your car. We are going to record our installation process. Like I said, we are in the middle of. You can see something already is installed, something we are still working on. And finally, we will demonstrate you how the system operates and show it in action. So that's where internet provider comes in. You can see Frontier. That's our console, UDM Pro Max, with 2 hard drives. So that's our console. We're going to run network protect and access applications on it. So that's our gate hub and switch where cameras and access point connected. This is not final, of course. You can see it's an old Hikvision NVR, which doesn't work. So we will clean this mess. And the probably useful thing to point out, so that's a LiftMaster wireless access. So we can use one of their terminals to connect UniFi Access Hub and allowing gates to open automatically when license plate detected, or you using app and opening the gate. Talking to about why we decide to deploy network. I think it's a very good idea to have Wi-Fi connection when you're approaching. That could be useful for residents, for delivery drivers. We are in Malibu and sometimes service in this area not that good. So having access point at each gate is actually a pretty good idea. So we are deploying U7 Pro Outdoor access points, 1 per gate. And that's basically our setup. Okay, system is installed. Let's talk what we have. So we have 2 checkpoints, lower gate and upper gate. The setup exactly the same for both. So we have 3 cameras. One we are using for the license plate recognition. It's installed on the security booth. You can see actually there is also Wi-Fi access point. So we have not only cameras, we have Wi-Fi. If something happens with your connection, so you can be on a Wi-Fi. Each checkpoint has 2 types of access. Basically, we have residents users. So for them, we have license plate and identity endpoint as a type of access, so they can use app or just automatically camera will read the license plate and open the gate. And for the visitors, for the guests, we have intercom with also like multiple types of access. We will talk about this later.
Few words about one interesting situation here. We have double leaf gates, and each side of the gates operates separately. One for the exit and one for the entry. Right side, which is for the entry, connected to Ubiquiti system, and it should open only when our camera catches the license plate on the back of the car. And we decide to put it here because it's California and a lot of cars has license plate only at the back of the car. So we find out sometimes this camera can catch a license plate of exiting traffic. So we set the license plate recognition zone, tested it, and now everything works perfectly.
Also, you can use endpoint application to open any door or gates using the app. You can open it remotely.
Yeah, and the important thing, we enabled for the users, you can open it from anywhere. So it's not only will work only on close proximity, it will work from anywhere. So another cool feature and at UniFi endpoint, so not only each user have like access to open doors remotely and in close proximity, just one click and it will open closest gate. Another thing, if you have friends coming or like any visitors, that's amazing feature. So you can create visitor pass. So I'm, for example, putting my name. I can choose which gate is available for this user. Let's keep both. And I can specify when this visitor pass will work. So for example, it will be enabled for today, for 3 days, or like any custom time interval. Yeah, and when you're ready, you just click create and it will issue the QR code, which I can show to the intercom. Intercom will scan it and gates open. Amazing.
Let's check if it's working.
Let's check actually, yes. Okay, let's test the visitor pass we created. So it's on my name. It has a QR code. So let's scan QR code on the intercom.
Welcome, Anton.
Nice, working well. There is another way to enter for the users' residence. There is a mobile tab, you can use it. So what you just need to open UniFi endpoint app, and you can just tap your phone.
Welcome, YesTechie.
The challenging part of such projects is onboarding. For example, in this case, we have 160 users and we need to add all of them as users to UniFi Access system. Then we need to assign license plate numbers for each of them. Some of them can have more than one car. Then we need to create a directory with all entries. We find the solution. We use the AI to add all the users in one batch. Then we automatically assign license plates for them, and we automatically created a directory with all users and their phone numbers. So the whole process took less than an hour.
And time is very crucial for projects like this.
To wrap up this video, we want to highlight how easy and seamless migration from the old HOA database into UniFi user directory actually was. Applying groups to each household and along with the linking license plates and phone numbers to users and creating Intercom directory was simple and straightforward. We onboarded entire HOA management team in a matter of hours, and now their daily operation became much easier. Now, there are multiple ways to access the community and the system functioning very well.
If you manage similar community or facility and want to upgrade your access control system to have best technology available, or need help with designing or deploying UniFi Access Control System, you can contact us at YesTechie.com. We will be happy to help you in the best way possible.